Hi, I'm Stephanie from stephanieknaturals.com, and I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate-scented perfume. Now, if you want to go the cheap route, you can do a chocolate fragrance oil. I always go the all-natural route with my perfumes, so what I'm going to be using is called Cocoa Absolute. They take the cocoa seeds, which is what chocolate is made from, and they extract the scent from it. So you'll have either your fragrance oil or your Cocoa Absolute and Everclear, or also a high-proof vodka. Basically, you just want a high-proof alcohol. Cocoa Absolute doesn't mix very well with oils, so the carrier oils like jojoba or fractionated coconut oil won't be a very good choice for this particular perfume. Now I want to have a concentration, because this is a absolute, which is a little bit more concentrated than other essential oils. I'm going to do a 15% concentration instead of the regular 20. Okay, so I'm going to measure out with my little measured dropper. I'm going to measure 1.5 milliliters of my Cocoa Absolute. And I'm going to add 8.5 milliliters of my alcohol to the Absolute. And I'm going to let these mix together. And then I'm going to let this sit for about 24 hours so that the Cocoa Absolute and the Everclear will mix together. And when it's done, you can smell it and you can add some other ingredients. And you can bottle it in your favorite bottle.